everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into an epic animated video with a fire horse effect. And yes, it looks insanely cool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your pixverse. You can use the website versions or the mobile app versions like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account and don't worry about the credits because pixverse will give you free credits every day, so you can try this effect without paying anything. And then after that, once you're logged in, just go to template sections, this one, and then next just go to search bar and then just search for the year of fire horse like this, and then just search it, and then this one just click on this effect and then tap on use template, and then after that just upload the photo that you want to animate or that you want to transform. Just use a clear photo and make sure the main subject is centered, and it has a well lighting. And after that just upload your photo, and after that just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits, so just tap on create and then just go back again and go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into an animated video with a blazing fire horse appearance like this. It's so cool. And okay, that's it. That's super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.